Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Shawnwesley Bernard, and to start up this stretch, we are going to be doing a forward pike stretch to hold this for about 10 seconds. So this stretch basically helps you to release your back in any tight or any stiff place in your lower back. Now we're going to a wide stand with our legs apart and going to a deeper pike stretch. And hold the stretch for about 10 seconds to lengthen our back. Note, if you can do this at my level, you can do this as a beginner stretch, and the goal is to just bend forward. In our next pose, we're going to go into a downward dog and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. This stretch basically helps you in lengthening your spine and also giving you a good stretch in your shoulders. And now we're going to go into a cat-cow pose by bending and alternating the bend. So this is also to lengthen and straighten your spine to avoid lower back pain and upper back pain too. And now we're going to be holding a cobra stretch. In this cobra stretch, we are going to be focusing more on our lower back to free and loosen the spine. Now we're going to be alternating into a sail stretch to bend our head to our feet.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour.
So after much back bending, we are going to be lengthening our spine to free up or remove stiffness by doing a child's pose.
Control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.
Now we're going to a pike forward sail stretch, and we'll lay forward to grab our ankles. So if you can go down as far deep as you can go, you can just go down to wherever you feel a deep stretch in your lower back and in your hamstring.
Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So if you like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and please help me hit 200 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Audio Jungle.